Hi, hello everyone, my dear viewers and my dear subscribers. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing very good and great. Today I'm here with one more exciting job opportunity to you all. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, which is about EY company. In the EY company, we have a vacancy of experienced resource management associate, especially this job is in Bangalore and it's a job reference number. And what is that they have expected from this job is that we are seeking a motivated and detailed individual to join our research management team in entry level role. As a member of the team, you will play a crucial role in supporting the resource planning and allocation across the TAG. Wow, fantastic opportunity. And this is an excellent opportunity to gain a practical experience in resource management while working alongside with dynamic and collaboration team. Good. So let me see what are your responsibilities. You have to assist in planning the activities. You have to collaborate with the team member. You have to support the scheduling and coordinating. Then you have to monitor the allocation, utilization, assist in identifying and resolving the conflicts, contribution to the process movement, stay updated with industry trends, provide administrative support. So someone who is at the entry level wants to gain a knowledge, then definitely this job is for them. Then what is requirement? A bachelor degree in business administration management or related field? Yes, okay. Then you should have a strong problem solving skill, ability to manage time, effective communication, both verbal and written, then Microsoft Excel. Guys, see, wherever you go, whichever company, they are very keen on someone who's very good at Excel. Then ability to collaborate with team environment, proactive attitude, familiarity with resource management software is good. So someone who is looking for a job as a beginner, for them, this job role is fantastic one. Then you have to use it to apply. So you can comment a link. So I will be sharing you the link to apply for this job. Whatever the information that I say, it is from the company portal side. So I am not associated with any company. Whatever the information that is publicly available online, by going through that information, I am just sharing you the content. So it is left to your choice. You do a detailed research by going into their company portal, then check for this particular job role, then apply for it based on your own risk. So thank you and have a nice day.